Hello everybody, this is Freddy from Turn Vertical, and in today's video I want to go over automatic placements. Should you use them or should you turn them off? And for that, let's go into Facebook's Power 5, what basically Facebook recommends you to do. And if we go in here and we go to automatic placements, we can see that the old way was basically you manual bid, you separate ad sets for each placement. And the new thing, which has been going on for quite a few months now, probably even over a year, is basically that you turn automatic placements on for every single ad that you do. So the simple answer to that question is yes, you should turn automatic placements on. If you struggle with automatic placements because you think Facebook distributes your budget, I recommend that you look into my video about the breakdown effect. Basically explains why Facebook shifts budget to ad sets or to placements which may be underperforming in your opinion. So that's also a super interesting video. But the short answer to that question is yes, you should turn on automatic placements.